Welcome to our MongoDB instant reporting page. We provide analytics and business intelligence from NoSQL, relational, and other data sources. Let's take a quick look at how we work with MongoDB on this page. The settings here points to a MongoDB database running on compose.io, which is a database as a service provider you might be familiar with. This is also pre-filled with some metrics and queries we want to track. So here you can plug in queries directly, or use a discovery section to auto-generate the queries. We'll come back and take a deeper dive on that, but let's start with the preset settings first. I'm going to click on Show Me, and let's wait for it to be done. And what you see here is some basic visualizations on our data based on the queries that we provided. So here we have a time series chart on the left, along with data in tabular form here. So now let's head back to the landing page and I'll explain that in a little bit more detail. On the connect section, you can use your own database. And if you do, it will automatically try to connect and pull collections associated to that database. And when you choose a collection, it will sample the last 100 documents in that collection to figure out the fields and types. Now let's put together a report from the raw data. Let's say we're looking to get the total page hits per day by page type. I'm going to select hits, and if you click on it, it will pop up settings to choose aggregation types, labels, and so on for that metric. So in our case, we are after the sum of hits. So notice as I'm going through it, the queries are generated automatically at the bottom as well. Dimensions allow you to bucket the data. So in our case, we're bucketing by date and page type. Let's also add a filter to only limit the data where hits is greater than 10. So we have our queries auto-generated and ready to go. The Cloud9 keyword section is our own SQLite syntax to complement Mongo query. This can be used to manipulate data returned from Mongo, and it comes in really handy for things like date bucketing and other things. With that, let's see what the results look like. Here you see the total hits by date broken down by page type. This is just scratching the surface with a relatively straightforward example. The best way to see it in action is to sign up and hook it up with your own data. If you want to know more about how we work with Mongo and other databases like MySQL, Cassandra, and others, or want to know more about other bits to our solution like warehousing of reporting data, security, connecting to database inside your network, sharing and embedding, and so on, have a chat with us. We're just a mouse click away, or you can always email us at support@cloud9charts.com. I hope you enjoy using it as much as we had fun building it. Thank you very much.